welcome to Winnie Styles. Today we have this beautiful styles for matured women. This style whose elegance and class, and with age sometimes our hair may become finer. So this style today will give you that desired appearance of fullness and volume. Another good thing I love about this haircut is that it's a hairstyle that is more popular today than ever before, and it's a style that will make you to really embrace your real hair color and flaunt it proudly. Whether you have the salt and pepper or your hair is gray, this is a hairstyle for every black woman because it will give your hair that desired volume and air. So this is a haircut that is really trending, and is a haircut for women of all ages. You can see how this woman looks so beautiful with this hairstyle, and you can see how this haircut really accentuates her eyes and pairs well with all short natural haircut. So are you rocking the style? You can let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. You can't go boring when it comes to short natural haircut for women, and you can step up your classic pixies with this beautiful style and try using the right gel or the right cream for your hair to look this beautiful, because one styling can go a long way in really trying to transform your look. If it's the first time here in Winnie Styles, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds, okay, in the comment section below. I just want you guys to please watch this video to the end, because you can see how low maintenance this haircut is and how they can really transform your look and make you look gorgeous. Thank you.